90% of sandwich lovers always stick to the same old PB&J. Let's break the mold and add some pizzazz to our sandwich game. Start with your choice of bread, be it whole grain, sourdough, or a classic white. Now slather on your favorite spread. Think outside the box. Maybe a spicy mustard or a zesty hummus? Next, pile on the protein. Whether it's crispy bacon, tender chicken, or even marinated tofu, make sure it's the star of your sandwich. Don't forget the veggies. The crunchier, the better. Lettuce, tomatoes, or perhaps some peppery arugula. And here's a pro tip for an extra flavor kick. Add a slice of cheese and give it a quick grill until it's perfectly melty. Layer it all together, and there you have it. A sandwich that's anything but ordinary. Quick, easy, and unbelievably delicious. Who knew sandwich making could be this fun?